Hi guys, and welcome to hotmatrixx unofficial bot tutorial series number 8A, candles, working with candles. And the main spots where you will find candles are down here in miscellaneous. You get something, candles, there we go. You get these three values here, and the other spot that you get them is under tick analysis, and you get this one, and then under tick analysis advanced you get a couple more, right? I'm going to show you what some of these do. What you really need to keep in mind is that they follow natural language conventions, and if it makes sense then it will probably work. Now I'm going to create a variable here, and just call it close. Right, so those are easy values, and just so that you get the basics of working with these. So what you can do is you could set the close to this is important. So this is number 1. Now number 1 is the currently active candle. So if I switch this to candles, it is this candle here over here that hasn't closed yet. Come on, in you go. Hey, that's this one. That's number 1. And usually working with candles, you actually, when you're analyzing candles, you want to start with this one and work backwards. So quite often you actually want this to be 2, not 1. It's just something to bear in mind. So if you're going to get the close of a candle, and in candle list get number from n number 2 default. Now this isn't going to work because I want the close value. This will actually return 4 full values. It will give me the high, open, close, 5 values I think. They're all here actually. Open, high, low, close, and the time that it actually opened. So in that instance I don't actually want this block, I actually need this block, which would give me the close of the previous candle. And that's that. Now using that you can start making things like logic blocks. You know, you can make a very simple sorry about that, you can make a very simple bot which just says you know, if the close here is greater than the open, so if the close is greater than the open, then it's a rising candle, so you'd want to purchase rise. Else you just put purchase, delete, okay, you just purchase a fall, right? And that's the basics with candles, really. The Overwatch, you can go from here and just learn on your own, or I'll just carry on a little bit longer and show you how a few more of the idiosyncrasies of these other blocks. So you're welcome to end the video there if you want, or carry on watching if you want to see me stuff something up. Okay, so this one here, candles list, and candles list here. So get candles list number 2 from the end, we'll get a specific set of these values. So if I do this, then the variable close will actually be a list of all of those values. Now I can limit that list by using this block here to do this. The truth is that I'm not sure why those are in there. They're basically redundant because you have this block. This is the candles list, so if you want to make a list of all the candles, then like some things like indicators require lists of candles, so this is a good place to get it. If you wanted to specifically list all of the open candles or all of the closed candles, then you'd use this instead. So if you had an indicator, we'll get into indicators later, you can make a list, yada yada yada. And so this is actually really simply, getting ahead of myself here, but this is how to use the indicators as well. So honestly, that's pretty much all there really is to understanding how to actually analyze a candle. In the next video I'm going to do lists a little bit, and then after that I'm going to do loops, so we'll get into some more involved work with candles. And so, if you like, I guess I will see you in the next one.